Source Lighting Complete line of Bluetooth fixtures provides complete color control of your landscape lighting system. Color when you want it, white when you don't. Designed for the professional contractor, it provides deep, rich, and bright colors, an intuitive app, and a simple cloud-based upload and download feature to easily drop the program you compose on your client's mobile devices. Simple to sell, simple to install, and simple for your customer to understand and use. This video will explain pairing the fixtures, individual fixture control, creating custom scenes, naming, organizing, deleting, and sharing the custom design you create with your customer. So let's get started. We will go over properly setting up the Source BT app, paired with the Cast Source Lighting color control fixtures. Since the app is continually evolving and being tweaked to enhance the user experience, make sure to update your app regularly. The objective of this video is to provide a general understanding of the base features and functionality. Section 1. Installing the app. To start, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. From there, search for Source BT in the search bar. The app should then appear. Download and install the app onto your phone. Next, turn on the power to the fixtures and range extenders. It is important to ensure you are in the range of the fixtures for the app to work properly. From there, you will need to open the app. If you are a new user, click Register to create an account. If you need to register an account with the Cast Lighting Cloud, enter the lighting installation owner's or manager's information twice. On successful registration, the Cast Lighting Cloud will display the results on your screen. From there, the app will go back to the login screen. To log into an existing account, upon app load, you will see a login screen. Enter the login information that was saved to the Cast Lighting Cloud. Lastly, tap the login button. Once successfully logged in, you will see a login success message pop up. You will then be brought to the main screen. Section 2. Pairing fixtures with the app. With the app already open, click the plus sign on your screen's top right-hand corner. Tap the box that says Adding Devices. Next, only turn on the lights you want in this pairing. Once confirmed, hit Yes or OK. Your app should search for the lights. Check all the boxes for the fixtures you want installed on the app, then click OK. You will now see the lights being added to the configuration. If you get a message that warns about a weak signal, there may be impeding factors weakening the signal. To resolve this issue, you may need to add repeaters to your lighting system or stand in a different position on the property closer to the weak signal fixtures. From there, go back to the home screen in the app. You should now see the fixture icons appear on your screen. This means they have successfully paired the fixtures with the app. To make sure your lights are working properly, tap All On and All Off to test them. Section 3. Accessing the control panel. When you press and hold down on a device for a couple of seconds, the device will be highlighted and a control panel will pop up. From here, you can change the colors, brightness, and color temperature. You can also rename your device and add it to groups by pressing the Edit button in the control panel. You may also notice a blue dot in the top left-hand corner of the device. This icon indicates which device the control panel is activated for. Section 4. Changing names and labeling fixtures. To label each fixture, tap and hold the fixture icon. You will now see a window appear with multiple settings and options. You can also tap the colored square next to the fixture to access the controls more quickly. Initially, the fixtures and range extender will be labeled Default, followed by a number. To change the label, tap the pencil icon in the top right of the control panel. From there, a window will appear. Here you have options to change the name and add it to a group. To save your changes, hit OK. You can repeat this process to change the names and labels of each device. You can reposition the order of the fixtures and how they appear on the screen by holding and dragging the fixture icon. Section 5. Creating scenes. To set up a color scene for all devices, tap the double light icon on the top left corner of your screen and select All. From there, tap the All Controls button at the bottom center of the screen. This activates the control panel for all the devices. In the control panel, you can toggle between the RGB color values, brightness, and Kelvin temperature of your fixtures. In the control panel, select the base color that you want your fixtures to have. Once you select your color, tap outside of the control panel to close it. Now that you have your base color selected, tap the square icon next to each fixture to open the CCTK or the RGBW screen, allowing you to choose your desired color for each individual fixture. Repeat this step for each fixture until your desired colors are met. When all your fixtures emit light in the proper color, tap the All Controls button to activate the control panel for all the devices. At the bottom of the control panel, a horizontal list of scenes will be displayed. Scroll the list of scenes to the left until you see an Add button that appears. Tap the Add button to open the scene settings. Here you can also adjust the color, brightness, and Kelvin settings of each light. To save the scene and rename it, click Save. You can then name your scene. Tap Yes to save the color screen. Fixtures will flash to show changes that have been made. To change the colors in scenes, tap and hold the scene you wish to edit. From there, tap on the RGBW for the color of each device. Tap Save and your scene will be changed. If you wish to use a different color, use the color wheel to select your desired color for each fixture. Section 6. Creating zones or subscenes. In the app's home screen, tap the double lights icon on the top left-hand corner of the screen. On the next screen at the bottom, tap the Add button. The Edit Description screen will appear. Type in the name of the subscene grouping of fixtures, then hit OK. The group or room name you have created will now appear in the list of groups and rooms. Repeat this process to add multiple rooms. You can enter up to 20 groups or rooms with the app. When you are finished, tap the plus on the top right-hand corner of the screen and select Group Setting. Now all of the fixtures uploaded to the app will be shown. Check off the fixtures you want in this group or room, then tap the Save button. The fixtures you selected will now be shown in the group or room that you have created. To create a variety of custom scenes, click the All Controls button to open the color window. You can now create a variety of custom scenes for this group or room. If you want to delete a group or room, tap the Edit button at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. From there, tap the negative red button. Finally, tap the Delete button to remove the group or room. Section 7. Turning on and off single fixtures and easy color matching. You can turn an individual fixture on or off by simply touching the fixture icon on the display. Tap on the individual fixture icon to turn the fixtures on and off. At the bottom of the screen, you can turn on and off all the fixtures in a group or room by tapping the All On or All Off buttons on the bottom of your screen. If you select a color somewhere on the color wheel and would like to apply the same color to another fixture, tap on the RGB tab, select a color on the color wheel, and tap on the fixture to turn the fixture off. Then tap again to turn it back on, and the color will be set for that fixture. Do the same with any other fixtures you want to be set to that color. Section 8. Uploading your client's configuration to the Cast Lighting Cloud. If you are using your own mobile device to create a new lighting configuration for a client, you will need to upload the configuration to the Cast Lighting Cloud so the client can add it to their device. If you have your own personal configuration for your home, it is a good idea to upload your own configuration to the Cast Lighting Cloud as a backup. To upload a configuration to the Cast Lighting Cloud, click the double light button in the top left-hand corner of the main screen. A window will pop up. At the bottom of the window, click the button called Settings. From there, click the button that says Push Upload Configuration. You will see a pop-up that asks if you want to upload the configuration. Click Yes. Lastly, you will see a pop-up that says Configuration was successfully uploaded to the Cast Lighting Cloud. Section 9. Preparing a mobile device for a new configuration. Now that your client settings and configuration are on the cloud, to put your personal Bluetooth settings back on your phone, you will need to delete the current configuration. To prepare a mobile device for a new lighting configuration, you must delete the current lighting configuration. First, go to the double light button on the top left-hand corner of your screen. From there, go to Settings. Once in the settings, you will see a button called Delete Configuration. To remove the configuration, tap the Yes button. The app should then reset. Section 10. Adding a client's configuration to their device. First, you're going to install the Source BT app on the client's phone. From there, you will launch the app. When the Source BT app starts, you should see a login screen. Log in with the credentials used to push the client's lighting configuration to the Cast Lighting Cloud. This should be the client's email address and password previously created. The app should automatically recognize that a lighting configuration has been pushed to the Cast Lighting Cloud. The app will then report from which type of mobile device this was done and at what time period. Confirm this is correct. Tap Yes to pull the lighting configuration onto the client's phone. On your own mobile device, you can now log in to restore your own configuration back to your own mobile device. Section 11. Resetting and deleting light fixtures. To delete a light fixture from the configuration app, hold down the fixture icon and tap the notepad icon. A new screen will appear that contains the Delete button. Tap Delete. The fixture will be removed. If you need to reset all the fixtures and range extenders to factory default settings, perform the following operation 5 times in a row. From the transformer, turn all the fixtures off for 15 seconds, then wait and turn all the fixtures back on for 15 more seconds. The fixtures will then flash to signify the fixtures have been reset. Remember, this process should be done 5 times in a row. It will help to use an app or timer on your phone to ensure you go the full 15 seconds between intervals.